If you've been putting off user experience research because of the amount of human effort involved, it may be time to reevaluate that. At Funnel Envy, for years, we've been doing session recordings, user experience testing, using heat maps and similar tools to better qualitatively understand user behavior and run more effective experiments. But I do recognize that this has typically involved a significant amount of effort by humans on our team to review all of those recordings, review the outputs of the user experience tests, and ultimately find patterns and places where prospects and visitors are getting frustrated. What we have seen recently, though, is a number of AI-based tools on the market that are much better equipped to digest all of those unstructured data sets, find patterns and opportunities in them, and then collaborate with humans to understand more quickly where the opportunities are to improve the user experience. Personally, I would recommend looking at tools like Marvin that we've used really effectively at Funnel Envy to streamline and improve our user experience process.